Just finished an amazing year on your Working Holiday Maker program in Australia? Do you love the lifestyle and you are not quite ready to head home? Well, you're not alone. A lot of people consider transitioning to a student visa to extend their OC adventure. And today, we will break down how you can do that. Good day everyone and welcome back to the Education One YouTube channel. I'm Desti, your host for today's video. We will be discussing one of the hottest topics among soon-to-be international students, which is transitioning from a working holiday visa to a student visa in Australia. Why would you consider a student visa after your working holiday? Well, it opens up a whole new world of opportunities. You can gain valuable qualifications, improve your skill, explore subjects you're passionate about, and build a strong network of friends and professionals. Plus, you get to stay in beautiful Australia for longer. Now, let's be honest, there are some differences. A student visa doesn't offer the same unrestricted work rights as a working holiday visa, but you can still work part-time, which is up to 48 hours per fortnight during study periods and full-time during scheduled breaks. This can really help you with your living expenses. Now, how do you make the switch? First, you must choose a course and a registered education provider. Make sure the course is something you're genuinely interested in, as this will be the foundation of your visa application. You'll then need to apply for your chosen course and receive a confirmation of enrollment, or COE. Next, you'll need to apply for the student visa. Be prepared to provide a bunch of documents, including your COE, proof of funds to support yourself, evidence of overseas student health cover, and your passport. You should also provide evidence of your genuine student statement. This statement explains why you want to study in Australia and what your plans are after your studies. The genuine student statement is really important. I can't emphasize this enough. It's your chance to convince the department that your primary purpose for being in Australia is to study and that you intend to return home or apply for another eligible visa after you graduate, unless you are eligible and wish to stay longer. Be honest and thorough in your statement. The processing time for student visas can vary, depending on your chosen qualification or degree. It's best to apply well before your working holiday visa expires. Please don't leave it to the last minute. And remember, it's always a good idea to check the official Department of Home Affairs website for the most up-to-date information and requirements. Transitioning from a working holiday visa to a student visa can be a fantastic way to continue your Australian experience, gain valuable skills, and open up future opportunities. It's a bit of work, but achievable. So I hope this video helps you clarify any doubts you have before transitioning from a working holiday visa to a student visa in Australia. Should you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to book a consultation with Education One now by clicking the booking link in the description box below. Alright, that's all for today. See you in the following video, mates!